Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make all PDF pages the same size in Adobe Acrobat. So actually if your PDF contains pages of different sizes, you can make them consistent by printing the document to a new PDF with a single paper size. Adobe Acrobat does not include the one-click feature to permanently resize all existing pages to the same dimensions. So actually guys, first you will need to convert all pages to the same size. So you will need first to open Adobe Acrobat and then just open the PDF in it, right? So for example, I will open this one, double click on. So actually that's the Adobe PDF, right? You can even use the Microsoft Print to PDF on your Windows as the printer, right? And yeah, you can either go and right click, you can either go with crop page or you can go with edit this PDF, right? So let's go with this PDF. So then you will need just to go with that option, crop page and their modify page. So once you click it, you will find an option that says size, right? So just select it and choose the desired paper size such as E4, letter or legal, and select one of the scaling options like fit to scale each page to the selected paper size, shrink oversized pages to reduce only larger pages, and custom scale to apply the same scaling percentage to every page. And then just click on print option and save the newly created PDF. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.